Outline of human intelligence. The following outline is provided as an overview of and topical guide to human intelligence. Human intelligence in the human species, the mental capacities to learn, understand, and reason, including the capacities to comprehend ideas, plan, problem solve, and use language to communicate. Read about traits and aspects augmented with technology, capacities, types of people by intelligence, models and theories, related factors, fields that study human intelligence, history, organizations, publications, scholars, and researchers. Traits and aspects: collective intelligence, group intelligence, in groups, in individuals, abstract thought, creativity, emotional intelligence, fluid and crystallized intelligence, knowledge, learning, malleability of intelligence, memory, working memory, moral intelligence, problem solving, reaction time, reasoning, risk intelligence, social intelligence, communication, spatial intelligence, understanding, verbal intelligence, visual processing, augmented with technology, humanistic intelligence, capacities, outline of thought, cognition and mental processing, association, attention, belief, concept formation, conception, creativity, emotion, language, imagination, intellectual giftedness, introspection, memory, metamemory, pattern recognition, metacognition, mental imagery, perception, reasoning, abductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, volition, action, problem solving. Types of people by intelligence: high, child prodigy, list of child prodigies, genius, polymath, low, idiot, intellectual disability. Read about models and theories, Carroll theory, fluid and crystallized intelligence, general factor of intelligence, theory of multiple intelligences, triarchic theory of intelligence, past theory of intelligence, Pareto frontal integration theory, related factors, impact of health on intelligence, environmental and intelligence, height and intelligence, nations and intelligence, neurological factors upon intelligence, race and intelligence, history of the race and intelligence controversy, religiosity and intelligence, fields that study human intelligence, cognitive epidemiology, evolution of human intelligence, heritability of IQ, mental chronometry, intelligence and public policy, behavioral genetics, human behavior genetics, psychometrics measurements, psychometrics, Flynn effect, educational quotient, G factor, heritability of IQ, intelligence quotient, Heyman's quick test, block design test, break in school readiness assessment, Cattell culture affair 3, figure reasoning test, history of the race and intelligence controversy, intelligence quotient, Jensen box, Kaufman assessment battery for children, knock cubes, Coe's block design test, Leiter International Performance Scale, Lothian Birth Cohort Studies, Miller Analogies Test, NNAT, Otis Lennon School Ability Test, Peabody Picture Vocabulary Test, Protus Maze Test, Raven's Progressive Matrices, Reynolds Intellectual Assessment Scales, Stanford Binet Intelligence Scales, Veschler Adult Intelligence Scale, Veschler Intelligence Scale for Children, Weschler Preschool and Primary Scale of Intelligence, Wetterlich Test, Woodcock-Johnson's Test of Cognitive Abilities, Standardized Testing. Read about the evolution of human intelligence, the history of the race and intelligence controversy, organizations such as High IQ Societies, Mega Society, Mensa International, Prometheus Society, 999 Society. Read publications, The Intelligence Journal. Read all about the outline of human intelligence. Read also about active intellect, cognition, cognitivism, Downing effect, educational psychology, fertility and intelligence, individual differences psychology, intellectual giftedness, knowledge, mental event, mental operations, neurocognitive, passive intellect, sex and psychology. Read all about outline of human intelligence. Outline of human intelligence. Outline of human intelligence.